got a job today to do with a bit of a bitter taste. 2 weeks ago, we picked up a motor guzzi from Turriff and we brought it down for a part exchange. The trouble is, now we've got to return back up to Turriff and we have that bag. Now Turriff, we're based in Sheffield. Turriff is 6 hours away, so it makes it a 12-hour day to drive up to Turriff and back. And it's the best part of 850 miles there and back. It's 2 tanks of fuel. It's going to cost us £300 and a full day's work. So yeah, it's a bitter taste. But David's really excited to get his guzzi. So and Billy's really excited to get there. But we're now stuck in a traffic jam. It's a set off at 5. It's now 7:39. We've been here about half an hour. And it doesn't look like we're going to be moving anytime soon. So, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Sometimes in this job, we have to do things that we really, really don't want to do. And to be honest, I don't want to do a full day's work and spend £300. But I have to.
It's showing us we've got 5 hours, 32 minutes left. An accident just up there, look. Looks like they closed the motorway on the other side. But this is only a mile or so up the road. Wounded.
So yeah, it were a long way to drive, all the way up to Turriff. But David had promised to show me his build, his motor guzzi build that he'd done. So it was at least something to look forward to. It's really bizarre. You kind of zone out and go into your own little world, whether you listen to music or you listen to podcasts. You just arrive after a 7.5 hour drive and it feels like nothing. When I first started doing this, it was exhausting. But now, you're fresh as a daisy. May have left in a little bit more of this time lapse than I should have done, but I did want to stress just how long this drive was. 7.5 hours is a normal man's working day, so yeah, to drive it all in one go and stopping nothing but for fuel, it's quite a big feat.
Some you win, some you lose.
But it's a lovely bike.
Yeah.
What speed you got down? No, I'm alright, thanks mate.
You're quite happy you do it yourself here.
Yeah, sometimes.
Oh, it's nice though.
Yeah, it's lovely, isn't it?
It's nice though, okay. Yeah, absolutely, yeah.
Yeah, good looking bike that is. Very nice.
Cool, mate, aye.
Yeah.
I looked at another one, it was like a sandy kind of colour one here, you get them a high fairing.
Yeah.
Loads of plastic bits and stuff, and big pipes and that.
Yeah.
Obviously a silver engine. Sort of blackened it and then.
Awesome.
Right, and then this thing here, look, that's a little bit too noisy actually, to be fair. I bought these pipes online. There is buckles in them, like. There's buckles in them, like, but it's just a little bit sharp, like.
Well, you want to get noticed.
Well, yeah. Okay, I haven't made a mud guard for it yet, like, but I use that thing. That's been used more last year, probably than the V7 was, really.
I like it like that. I don't think we should put a mud guard on.
No, I think so as well, like.
Yeah.
The only thing is, if you do go to a puddle, you just go right up your face, like. Yeah.
Get ready, Billy. You're loud.
Yeah, yeah. Okay with that.
He's all right with bikes. He might be not. Sounds how it should,
yeah.
For how it looks.
Yeah. That's
It's
bare
style.
metal.
Have you lacquered it?
Bare metal with lacquer on it.
Yeah, brush. Have you? Is that brushed?
No, that's
like
I
a brush
brushed it with a brass brush
yeah.
to get the effect, and then just lacquered, clear coated, because I wanted to look a scratch look to it.
Yeah, it's got a good effect.
I tell you what's really nice about it. Well, I think it's really nice. I'm a bit sad, like, but I had the brass soldering.
Oh yeah.
Then with the fuel tap thing, it's hard.
Yeah.
Really nicely well done, like.
It really is. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, the brazing.
Yeah, the brazing, that's the word, yeah, the brazing. Yeah.
I'll keep up with myself.
I know. Yeah, so.
That's mint.
And it
Some Del Autos as well.
Yeah, the lot of runs, lovely. Like, yes, because Andy's cup of tea as well.
Is it?
Oh, yeah.
I mentioned to Andy about you.
Right, well.
Said that you were bringing it
I
up.
found you, I've got he's changed his phone. He's got
Has
a new
he?
number.
Yeah.
So that is my X7.
Nice.
8,000 miles.
Really
I restored
nice.
that 10 years ago. I've had that 12
Wow.
years.
That is mint.
That's mint, aye.
Absolutely mint.
That was a nut and bolt job. That was
that, mate.
a long. That took me about 2 years.
So you've had that a while now?
I've had that 12 years, yeah.
12
years, yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. So I think I'm going to sell that before too long, I think.
Yeah.
Because I've done all the shows now. I've been with Andy to a few shows, and
Yeah.
I think now it's time to move it on, let somebody else have a bit of fun with the thing.
Well, it was totally worth the trip. David was such a nice guy, and he showed me around all his bikes, made such a fuss out of Billy, and he gave me a bottle of whiskey. I'm not a whiskey guy, but when a Scotsman offers you a dram, you take it. Thank you, David. Really appreciate that, mate. Down the M6, it's 9:30 and I've got an hour and 40 minutes left before we're back to base. It's been one of them days today where it doesn't always work out for us. In business, you take a little bit of a gamble every week. You've got to kind of bank on the work being there for each day. Now, the first part of the week's been fine. We've covered all the south of England. We have plenty of work to do, plenty to collect, plenty to deliver. But every now and then, and it was the same last week, Scotland's been really quiet. And to be fair, I wanted to deliver this bike. I wanted to deliver it last week. But again, there was nothing there last week. There was nothing up there. So I called David, and David had already actually said before, if you've got nothing to come with it, I'm not in a desperate rush for it. So last week I called him, I says, David, would it be all right if I get you up next week? He said, yeah, not a problem at all. But this week, I couldn't do it to him. So he's excited, he's got a new bike, and he wants to see it, obviously. And plus he'd found us just through the YouTube channel. So it made me want to keep him happy twice as much. But what's actually happened is, I've had to go up there and back, one bike. I've not dropped anything else off, no collections on way back down. It's just one of those things. It's a gambling business that you take. Now, I'm not making this video for you to feel sorry for me. I don't care. I'm not moaning. It's just one of them things, it happens. But what I would like for you to do is just put our name out there if you can. If you could follow a few Facebook pages or just put likes on Facebook pages, it helps to push us out there to people who are in the same kind of, or have the same kind of interests that you do. The same with the comments on YouTube. That pushes our content out to other people, and then we will get fused into people's minds. What I'm looking for is to have it when people want to buy a new bike, they just automatically think of our company, and you can help do that. I'm so happy with how the YouTube channel is coming along. When we started out, we just wanted to show a few things. We wanted to show a few deliveries and collections, and then with the startup videos, the channel's really kicked off. It's amazing. I'm so happy with how it's working out so far, and all the subscribers are really cool, and everybody who's commenting, all really nice comments. Get the occasional little niggly one, but that's part and parcel. So far the ratio from nice comments to nasty comments is well, it's all nice. There's one in every 100. So we're super happy with that, and we're getting jobs. We're getting jobs on the back of the YouTube channel alone, that's exactly what we're after. We've got a lot more content coming. We've got a lot more startups. We'll be going down to Gems again to do more startup videos. Once the weather picks up and we get a bit busier, we'll be doing a lot more Scotland vlogs. We've got the track bike build. We've got the Scotland trip coming up. So just give us a subscribe, tell all your mates about us, follow us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, Twitter, we hardly put anything on there, but we do have a Twitter account. TikTok, same again. Any ideas that you've got for us, anything you'd want to see, give us a shout. More walk rounds at bike shops, would you like that? If you do like the content, don't forget to like and comment. And of course you're already subscribed because you're a superstar. So from me and Billy, we'll see you in the next video.